Hello everyone, this is Joe's Gaming and Electronics, and today I will be showing you how to pair Samsung IconX 2018 version to your Samsung device. So first thing you want to do is in the back here, there's a Bluetooth button. You hold that down for about 2 seconds and it should pop up and go into pairing mode. The blinking lights here you'll be able to see. And if you have a Samsung, it'll either pop up like it did right here in my screen, and you could add it, and it's pretty straightforward. It's easy as that, and right now it's paired. Or you could also go to your Bluetooth settings if it's not popping up, and go scroll down and it should pop up in your Bluetooth settings and connect that way. And they're pretty straightforward, and there you are. You have your Gear X and they are connected, ready to go.